Hello guys, my name is Deb and I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to our channel Life Reviewed, and today we are here with a 6 month later video of the Dell laptop Vostro 3401. So I have posted an unboxing and a review of this model around 7 months back. So do check that out if you haven't already. I'll put the link of that somewhere on top of this video. So people has been asking me a lot about this model. They have some doubts, some queries, some problems. So I decided to make this video so that I could address a few of those. So I'll be going through a few things which I like about this laptop and a few things which I do not. Let me start with the things which I do not like about this laptop. So the first thing which I do not like about this is it is too damn slow. This one is the 4 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD variant. If someone is planning to buy this model, I would very strongly suggest go for the 8 GB version, because Windows 10 cannot run properly on a 4 GB RAM. So at least go for the 8 GB RAM and get an SSD hard disk if possible, maybe the 256 variant. So yeah, coming back to the point, this is very slow. When I try to shut it down or to restart this, it takes almost 8 minutes for this to fully boot up. And also when I try to open some browser, let's say Chrome, sometimes it takes me almost 15 minutes, sometimes maybe 20 minutes, and that is very frustrating. I'm sure you guys can understand, and in today's day and age, that should not happen. And I have seen this happen a lot in many of the newer Dell models and even in some of the HP models. And the reason behind this actually is Windows 10. Windows 10, when the system boots up, it starts a lot of unnecessary things in the background. And recently I have tweaked this laptop and I have actually optimized the performance of this. I have shut down a lot of things from the setting. I have turned off the things which in the background they are collecting the data. I have turned those off, and I'll be doing a review of that, a video of that very soon. How to optimize your laptops if you want to, how to turn off all those background tasks. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that video. So the next thing which I do not like about this is the screen. The brightness of this is low. It is not it does not affect that very much, but it is something which I would have liked to have more brightness, because other laptop models have more brightness than this. Another problem with this, and another, I would say, a big problem with this, is LCD bleeding. Yes, that is a very big problem, one of the worst I've seen in the laptops. I'll just show you an example of this. And let me turn off the light so that you can see that properly what I'm saying. So I have turned off the lights, and as you can see, there in the corners there is a bleeding problem. In the left, downward, left and right side, it's very apparent. I am sure you can see that. So yeah, there is a bleeding problem, and if you want to watch content while turning off your light, this really shows. Okay, guys, so that was the things which I do not like about this laptop. Now coming to the things which I like. The first thing which I like is the build quality of this laptop. So Dell is really known for their build quality. Their keyboards are really nice. I would say the keyboard is a chiclet keyboard, and it is very well laid out. So this is made of plastic, but it's completely matte. It did not scratch till now. For the 6 months that I have been using. Also, the mouse pad, it is very responsive, it's very clicky, and no problem till now. So that's another thing which is good. So the next thing which I like about this is the battery performance. So even after 6 to 7 months, it is still going strong. With a single charge, I can still get almost 7 hours of screen time. So yeah, almost 6 to 7 hours. So I would say that is quite good. Also it has what they say is a quick charger, so it charges till 80% in the first 1 hour, so that is also one good thing. So now coming to another point which I like is the sound. This has very good speakers, and let me show you, let me play something and show. So that was a sample, and the sound quality of this is actually good. You can almost feel the direction from which the sound is coming, and this is one of the better laptop speakers which I have seen in recent days. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our recent videos here. So stay safe and bye.